Hello, my Wigtail sisterin. I have been thinking of something lately. I noticed that mentally ill mammies and failure males will come to any black women empowerment and black women centric page to make a certain claim that we all know. Not all black men. But how many of these black women bashing videos have you heard black males proclaiming not all black women? How many of these males have generalized? All of this just sounds like a bunch of double standard nonsense. If black males speak about black women in a generalized format, then I get to speak of them in a generalized way as well, because I can. I will not tolerate hypocrisy from mentally ill black women hating mammies or black male parasites. You do not get to tell me how I should speak, or any other black female for that matter. If I even chose to say all black men, then I have that right. If there isn't anything you can really do about it either, besides running your mouth in the comment section, which can easily be resolved and solved, I recommend to the mammies and black males not wasting minutes of your time writing paragraphs to me or any other black woman for the mere fact that most of us will just delete it and block you. Because what you have to say to me is worthless. Your opinion is worthless. You are worthless. You are a parasite. You are also cancer. And I will chemotherapy you off of my channel and recommend any other black woman to do the same. Good day.